Hongguang Electric Group Co. Limited, with its head office located in Yueqing Economic Development Zone, was established in 1983. It has research, development, manufacturing, and trading groups. Meanwhile, it specializes in power transmission and distribution products such as electrical power fittings, insulators, cable accessories, dropout fuse, vacuum circuit breaker, transparent meter box. Hongguang, with a total registered capital of 10,700,000 RMB, has two production bases, taking up a total area of 14,978 square meters. The export volume and overall strength are among the best among the domestic counterparts. With over 30 years good faith management, the group has become a qualified supplier for national network, Southnet, the local power companies, and railways, petrochemical and other industries. It has been awarded Excellent Enterprises, the Quality of Integrity Enterprises, AAA Credit Enterprise, AAA Great Credit Unit. The company registered trademarked HOGN was Zhejiang famous brand. The products have passed through many rigorous tests and certifications issued by domestic and foreign authorities. For example, ISO 9001 2015, ISO 14001 2015 Quality Management System Certificate, Energy Saving Certificate. Meanwhile, the quality of all goods is ensured by PICC.